traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly, I still think this is an A, B, C of wave B that we're in right now. I still think we need to go down and make the wave C of wave B before we actually do make a bigger push to the upside. So let's keep that in mind as we go down to the weekly. On the weekly time frame, I think it is very, very clear this is 5 waves down right there. I think that tells us it's a wave A. I think this right here is an independent uptrend, which I think is an A of B. 3 waves down, B of B, and I think this last push up is the wave C of wave B. I think this big impulsive down is possibly the end of this wave C of B, and I think possibly we are already in the downtrend for the bigger wave C that I was just showing you on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, we finally got that nice breaker structure that proves that this trend up right here is over. Now I do have my Fibonacci retracement on there because these Fibonacci levels are often areas of resistance even when the market is trending. The trend is definitely down right now, so I am for sure looking for shorts on shorter time frames. I would definitely be looking to go short at the end of all pullbacks I see on the shorter time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, like I said, the trend is definitely down. Often these Fibonacci levels are areas of resistance, so maybe we will get a bounce here. Maybe it will even break structure. It definitely has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape to it, so I wouldn't be surprised if it did break to the upside, make a more proper correction before it actually did go down. Even if it does do that, I think there's a very good likelihood it will keep on going down, so I definitely will be looking for shorts at the end of those pullbacks. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, what I just explained on the 4 hour doesn't necessarily have to happen. I mean, it could easily make a lower high. It could easily just go up a little bit, maybe take out these highs, and then bam, right back down. We do have CPI inflation data coming out tomorrow for the US. That's going to be a really big news event for sure. So whatever's going to happen over the next 24 hours or so is definitely going to be setting itself up for the news tomorrow. Hopefully it sets itself up for a nice short, but we're definitely going to have to reevaluate the market prior to the news tomorrow. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.